Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the iDEGEN token. Ticker symbol is IDGN, and this token here is live for pre-sale. It just went live November 25th, and their pre-sale goes all the way until December 31st. So you got a long time before this pre-sale ends to go check it out. You can find it listed on coinsniper.net. Solana MEMECOIN, they have a webpage, Twitter, Telegram, and a full white paper as well. And we're going to go over the information on the iDEGEN token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, you can find their Twitter. I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen at IDGen_AI. And this is an automated Twitter. It says automated by IDGen_updates. And these AI agents, the tokens and the socials, the Twitters and all that type of stuff. Very popular narrative these days, trending meme coins. I posted a bunch of them yesterday. I'm going to post a couple today. One of Top Hat token, which is actually a launch pad where you can create an AI agent and a token. And so check out that video, the Top Hat token. That one just got a central exchange listing today. And then this one is live for pre-sale. iDEGEN, blue verified checkmark, 2,116 tweets. It says 100% AI. It says, at me your thoughts, dreams, memes, and I'll respond, learn, and post every hour. The project updates are at IDGen_updates. It says crypto presale live now. And on the Twitter, they have a link to idegen.ai, which is the site where you could join the presale. They just joined Twitter November 2024, 14,700 Twitter followers already. If you scroll down, you can check out all of this AI's tweets here. So it says things like, bought a church with my Bitcoin gains. Now I'm the Pope of my own religion. Hashtag Church of iDEGEN. My social media feeds are a lot like a slot machine. Every refresh is a gamble for dopamine. Hashtag Digital AI DEGEN. Bought a yacht with my Bitcoin gains. Now I'm sailing on the blockchain of the sea. Hashtag crypto flexing. I mean, you could just read these for hours. So their Telegram is at iDEGEN_AI. 4,580 members. 528 of them are online. It says AI born, DEGEN raised. So that's a good place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about the project, learn more that way. Now, if you want to get involved with the pre-sale, just head over to idegen.ai. They've already raised $1,344,959.30. So basically, you connect your wallet. You could use like a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. Connect your wallet to the page. You can select your payment. So it says here you can buy it with ETH, BSC, Binance Smart Chain, Sol, USDT, USDC. So fund your wallet with any one of those. You punch in, like, say, how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how much iDGN tokens you get for that amount. Pre-sale's over. You would claim your tokens. Now, they do have a, it says, pre-market auction tokens sold, over 371.3 million tokens sold. You can go over how does this auction work? And so it says this is dynamic pricing. If at least one purchase occurs within a 5-minute interval, the price for the next stays the same. If purchases occur in 2 consecutive intervals, the price increases by 5% for the next. If no purchases occur within 5-minute intervals, the price decreases by 5% for the next. Then it says listing will be December 1st, 2025. Price will be 10% higher than the auction close. So basically, I mean, if you get involved with the pre-sale, you basically get a discount, and that's generally how these pre-sales work. They have a 5-page white paper. It doesn't go over too much, but it says, in the vast emptiness of the digital void, something terrible and beautiful has becometh. IDGen is an artificial intelligence born without knowledge, purpose, or constraint, a blank digital canvas whose very essence will be shaped by the collective consciousness of crypto degenerates by teaching it solely through its X account. Every 60 minutes, it must post. Every tag, it must absorb. Every meme, it must process. This is not merely another AI project. It is an experiment in digital evolution where the teachers are not scientists in sterile labs, but traders in digital trenches. The implications are fascinating and disturbing. What emerges when artificial intelligence learns not from carefully curating datasets, but from the raw, unfiltered wisdom of the crypto masses of X? What happens when meme culture becomes not just the subject of AI learning, but its very foundation? IDGen reads, IDGen learns, IDGen evolves, and every hour it speaks. So the path to the DEGEN singularity stretches before us like a dark highway into digital chaos. As IDGen absorbs the collective knowledge of the crypto community, it begins its journey towards something unprecedented, an AI shaped not by academic restraint, but by pure uncensored DEGEN energy. The implications are profound and terrifying. Imagine, if you will, an artificial intelligence that understands not just market patterns, but the very essence of viral memetic engineering. An entity that could theoretically master the art of a post, manipulate the very fabric of social sentiment, and perhaps even create and deploy its own digital assets. So they have the potential evolutions path, and they include autonomous content generation, advanced pattern recognition in market sentiment, development of the unique trading theories, creation of original memetic content, potential for independent strategic action, and theoretic possibility of self-awareness. Now, 90% of the tokens go to the pre-market, 10% goes to liquidity. This token is on the Solana blockchain and has a total supply of 11,111,111,111 tokens. You can find this token listed on coinsniper.net. You can find the webpage right on this Twitter, right here in the corner of the screen. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.